Water pollution. What is it?
According to dictionary.com, water pollution is the addition of harmful chemicals and materials to natural water. How does it happen?
Many times, water pollution is caused by the actions of humans. Taken from statistics on theworldcounts.com, some of these actions include chemicals being dumped from factories, urbanization, oil spills, acid rain due to the burning of fossil fuels, and finally, human littering in bodies of water of harmful materials such as plastics, aluminum, glass, and styrofoam. Why and how do these human actions occur?
Factories dump chemicals when they need to deposit their waste somewhere, and the nearest location is sometimes water. Urbanization is caused by the desire of governments to further industrialize and modernize their areas. Oil spills are caused by human error resulting from oil drilling because oil drills are often located in the ocean. Acid rain occurs when fossil fuels are burnt for other necessities, which then affects surrounding water and soil. Human littering in bodies of water happens when humans are either too lazy to find a proper disposal location or human error when trash is accidentally deposited in bodies of water. How does this issue affect humans?
Water pollution is a huge issue for humans. According to theworldcounts.com, the number of human deaths resulting from unclean water is increasing every day, with another person dying every 10 seconds. So far this year, over 1.5 million people have died from contaminated water and diseases resulting from it. Some of these possible diseases, as listed on Vestergaard.com, include cholera, guinea worm disease, typhoid, and dysentery. TheWorldCounts.com continues with the statistics, also stating that unclean water has caused more deaths in the past 100 years than any other cause. This is indeed a very deadly issue, and it's very common. Another fact provided is that roughly 884 million people lack access to safe drinking water. Even worse, about 61.5% of the people that die from water-related diseases every year are children, which is 2,200,000 out of the 3,575,000. How does this issue affect other organisms?
Sea life. According to treehugger.com, water pollution has a large effect on sea life. First of all, small objects of trash in the water have been known to affect individual organisms, such as poisoning a fish or choking a sea turtle. Secondly, if enough sewage is deposited into the water, it can deplete the amount of oxygen in the water. This creates areas known as dead zones, which are areas of the water unable to support any life because of this. Plant life. Another problem resulting from water pollution, called acid rain, greatly affects plants and other organisms that require soil. As said on treehugger.com, when fossil fuels are burned, compounds are released into the air that interacts with the water molecules, which changes the raindrop. The then modified raindrop pollutes the water and all the surrounding ground it touches. If this occurs often enough, it may slow and even stop plant growth from occurring. The soil damage would not only affect plants, but other organisms such as worms, and would take a very long time to repair. What are specific potential solutions?
Richer countries assisting developing countries with no access to clean water is one of them. According to theworldcounts.com, many organizations work to improve water conditions in developing countries. From 1990 to 2006, the number of people with access to safe drinking water has risen by 1.6 billion people due to these organizations' donations and assistance. Another one is factories that can stop depositing all of their harmful chemical waste into the water, and instead using designated facilities such as barrels buried in the ground. Also, people can begin selling all faucets with built-in water filters in order to ensure people's drinking water is safe and clean. Lastly, the government can take responsibility by more forcefully enforcing anti-littering laws and possibly even establishing more strict ones. What can we do in order to solve this issue?
We may not think we can do anything to help such a large-scale issue, but there are many smaller things we can begin to do in our everyday life that will help, such as turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth, recycling and not littering in order to prevent your waste from possibly ending up in bodies of water, use less paper because forests are natural water purifiers, so deforestation can influence water pollution. Don't throw anything into the ocean. Keep vehicles in good shape in order to prevent possible oil leaks. These ideas were formed based on the information from simplerapproach-to-healthyliving.com.
Water pollution is a very serious issue in today's society, and it is our duty as humans to make an effort to help our planet by combating water pollution. Thank you for watching.